Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the time on a Cuisinart Coffee Center coffee maker. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to change the time on a machine like this, it is really easy to do. As you can see right here, it displays the time. It is actually not 1:09 a.m. Right now, I just plugged it in and I just kind of pushed the buttons to change the time to a different time other than like I think it displayed 12 o'clock when I first plugged it in. So I just, pushed a few of the buttons to change the time to a different time. But basically, I'm going to show you how to set the time and how to change the time. Really easy to do. I'll explain it and then I'll demonstrate it, okay? So basically, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're on the brew mode. So you need to make sure you're on the brew setting, as you can see right there. That's where we are. We are on the brew setting over there. So once you've ensured that you're on the brew mode, what you're going to do is you're going to press or hold down, not press or hold down, I should say press and hold down either the minute or the hour button. So press and hold down either of these buttons, the minute or the hour button, until the time starts flashing. Once it's flashing, you can press the minute or the hour buttons to set the new time. And then once you have the desired time there, you just let it be until it stops flashing and the time will be set. So as you can see, once again, we're on the brew mode over here. I'm going to press and hold down the minute button, but it can also be done with the hour button if you want. But I'm going to press and hold down the minute button over here, and until that starts flashing. And now that it's flashing, I can press either of these buttons to change the time. We're just going to go, right now we're in the AM, we're going to go to the PM, okay, we're going to do, let's say, I don't know, I'm just going to press a few more times. We'll do 3:23 PM. It's going to flash, and it's going to stop flashing. That means that the time is set. Just give it a moment. There you have it. It stopped flashing. The time is set. It is literally that simple. It is that easy to do. I've shown you and told you how to do it with simple instructions that you can follow along with your own machine, just like this one over here. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.